Hello guys, welcome to the new video tutorial on Angular. So in the last video tutorial, we guys have seen how we can navigate from one component to other component and how we can navigate to the default component also. Like when the link is not there, so it is showing the home page using the basic routing in Angular. Well, in this video tutorial, we guys are going to check how we can able to provide a styling to the current active anchor class or this links right here using the Angular. And to generate these links and to generate that styling, we should have to write some CSS class that we guys are going to define in our app component.css. And in this CSS, we are going to write some active classes that we are going to provide to this respected information for the tabs, and then we are going to assign it to our components using some routing properties. So let us do with this. So here I will get back to the route app.component.css, and here I have already defined with this class called as active. So this class we guys are going to use where the font weight 500 we have put, background color we have set it to the gray, border radius 7 pixels, padding 20 pixels, and color as a white. This class I'm going to use for my anchor or that links those who are actively run right there on our console. And to make that done, we guys are going to add one more property to this anchor tag. And what is that property? So the property for this anchor tag is what? RouterLinkActive. And here you have to provide that name of class, which name of class should be allocated when this corresponding link is active. So you just save it and check for the home. So I will get back here, I will click for services, and when I get back my cursor, so it will comes to the original. But when I click on home, so as the home is right now selected, so this class is completely get occupied to the home after even losing that cursor on that home tab. And similar like this, you can provide a CSS for services, same. So I'm going to be copy from here. Now let me just copy, and here I'm going to add, here also I'm going to add, and here also I'm going to add. Now let me paste it and space. Now let's save the code and check the output. So initially we are at home, so home is got selected. When I go to the about us, so about us will got selected. When I click on services, services will got selected, and when I click on contact us, the contact us will be got selected. And this is how simple it is in Angular, by just creating a one single class, and that where we are going to be shown what exactly to be got changes when the link is active, and then you have to add that link to your RouterLinkActive class. This RouterLinkActive attributes are uses those classes, those should be occurs when the link is active. Now let us say here I have to change some colors. Okay, so I'm going to change this background color. Let me set it to this little red. All right, now let us save this and let us check in the output. So you guys can see contact us appears like this, this one is appears like this. So depends on your selection and whatever the logics that you will have, you can able to use it right here in Angular very easily. I hope you understood how we can done with the basic routing and how we can style the current element of the Angular to the styles. If you really like something, if you really understood something, give us the thumbs up. Do share to the needful people, and thanks for watching this video.